Welcome back, my dons and donettes. How you all doing? Hope you've been all right. Today we got an not exclusive, but an exclusive to my collection. I've never had one of these fragrances, so this is my first one. We now have a Roja in the house. Man like Uncle Roja has landed. Now, let me try and show you everything. We've got the fragrance there. There you can see the name, Apex. Came with a few other bits as well. I also got Elysium Eau Intense. I do like the original Elysium, but I smelled this in the shop and I liked it a tad bit better. Lots of packaging as always. Then we have a little thing here, we'll open that. We have a sample, Amber Oud, which was my scent of the day. I don't know if you saw that video. And then we just have some, payment stuff. So there we go. Rojadove on the box. It's got. Thank you for shopping with us. I hope you enjoyed the purchase as much as I enjoyed creating it, and it brings to you much joy and happiness. There you go. Yeah, nice big box. So in here, came with a little bracelet. Actually, it said it on the website. Oh wow! Oh, it's metal. Nice little bracelet there. Oh, it fits on. Thought my hands were too big. No. Oh, very nice. All right, I'll give that some wearing. So we have Apex Rojadove. Now I did smell this a while ago, and I thought it was okay. I thought it was not bad. But then I smelled it recently again. I thought it was quite nice. Very masculine, very old school smelling. And then I just saw a price online that I just could not pass by. Get a little booklet there. Roja's Apex, got a little information and stuff. Made in England. And it comes with another little book here as well. If I can get that out. Oh, it's a card actually. Unearth the, it's like a card, like a playing card. Unearth the essence. And then it says owl. Patient, wise and balanced. Okay, very interesting. And then we have the box here, and then you just pull this. I'll do some close-up shots. I always say that I never do, but I'll make sure I will this time. Here we go. Look at that. Apex Rojadove. Comes with a little 10ml, which you can see I've worn already. It's my scent of the day today, and I sprayed it on my hand a few days ago. And here we have it. Apex Rojadove. Now this bottle is lush. Now all these bottles are very expensive looking, but this one, when you go up close, it's black, but when you pull back a bit, I don't know if you can see it, I'll do another shot, it's green. So very nice, fantastic bottle. Presentation, 10 out of 10. Like, just the box is fantastic, hard cardboard, the little booklet. Oh, fantastic. But how does it smell? Well, I really like it. It came out in 2022. It has bergamot, jasmine, rum, and a whole load of other notes. I'll put it up because it's, Rojadove, you don't mess about. He puts at least 25 notes in his fragrances. So I'll put a picture up, and as you can see, so many notes. So I get a sort of chypre, woody, spicy with this fragrance. It gives me old school masculine vibes. This is very, very manly. I really like it. I've seen online some saying it compares to Sauvage Elixir because it's got some spices in it. So I do get that comparison, but I think it reminds me of the old school Drakkar Noir from whenever that came out. It gives me that kind of vibe, old school, masculine, a man's fragrance, And yeah, I really like it. Do I like it more because I've got it for a cheap price? Probably. Would I pay the full retail, which is $395? Probably not. But as it was a deal on their website, it was $117 with a little welcome 10 code. I'll put a picture up. So $117 for a Roja. Now it's sold out. A few others posted it on their one and now it's all gone, so you can't even get it. But I'm just happy to have it. I'm happy for that to go up here. Oh look, it's got all fingerprints, give it a little shine. I'm very happy to have a first Roja in my collection. I want Sweetie Aoud, I want Oceana. There is a few that I want, but they're very, very expensive. That's the problem with Roja. They're very pricey, but they are very good quality. It's just if you've got the funds to spend it, you know. So presentation, everything, excellent. Very, very good. So yeah. Plus you get a little 10ml as well. So I'll be using this before I use this. But yeah, great fragrance. Roja, love it. It's got his signature on the top there, as you can see. Bottle is just beautiful, man. Really is beautiful, man. Like, I can't fault anything, to be honest. It's just great all round. Elysium, I'll unbox that on another video. I definitely want to give that some wearings and get back to you, tell you about performance and whatnot. But right now, Apex, fantastic release. I like it. I heard there's a parfum. I think this is older parfum, but I think Strong Style said there was a parfum version as well. So yeah, didn't know about that. But yeah, Apex, fantastic, great release. So glad to have it in the collection. And yeah, so I'll see you on the next video. I'll probably unbox this one, give this a full wearing, and I'll come back to you on this one because I love Elysium. Oh intense, the oh intense. Anyway, make sure you like, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me, make sure you share it. And I'll see you all on the next video. Take care.